Hi guys, welcome to Rebuild. So, it's my first video on that on YouTube. I'm just hoping it gets guys some opinion on that. I got two project cars on the go at the moment. I got a little Honda Civic, which I'm just trying to fix the rust on her, give her a tidy up so I can use her during the week. It's not my main car. And then I have an S600 body that I just picked up on the weekend. I'll show you a few videos and photos of that. I was thinking, get some advice from you guys on where I should go. I was thinking of doing a Honda motorbike engine in there, 1000cc motorbike engine. On this channel I'm going to show you because the car is just a body. It's just a rusty body. There's no chassis, there's no running gear, there's no brakes, there's no glass, there's no interior, there's no moldings. So with this video I'm going to show you basically every step where I go through building that, from down to casting the headlight molds that I'll make, down to reupholstering seats that I can make, down to fixing all the rust. I just need to get it sandblasted before I get the rust repair done. Making the chassis. Might need a few specialists to help me with that bit because you need a chassis welder's license to sign off to get it CR'd, roadworthied. And then the glass will have to go to a company to get made, but I'll actually make the mold for them so they can cast the glass correctly. And then yeah, just making a cool little Honda s600 coupe. And I don't think they made very many of them, I can't stand corrected, but I live in South Africa and I've only ever seen two my whole life, and I've only seen two roadsters, so very few in South Africa. I looked everywhere for parts and can't find any. Be awesome if you guys could help me out with that. And then I was hoping just to show the full build through the car. I think if I had the channel on that, it'll help me finish the projects instead of them stagnating and sitting in the garage, because I think a lot of people get like me where you take it all apart, you look at it, and then you're like, oh, I'll watch TV instead tonight instead, and then we don't carry on with the builds. So at least with this, having to make videos will have to make me finish my cars. And then yeah, I've got a lot of other little projects around the house. Maybe I'll put that through the channel as well. I'll actually get some work done on the property. Awesome guys, well let me show you the video of us going to go and fetch the car, and then when the car was home, and then I'll show you a video of the other project car in the garage at the moment. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. It'd be much appreciated. Cheers. See you next time.